Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your Harrow Council Tax account. For this, guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser. As I have already opened Microsoft Edge, bring up the search bar and type in Harrow Council Tax login and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link, www.harrow.ob. Click on that link. Now, you'll be taken to the new interface, which is the sign-in page. Over here, simply, you need to enter your email address. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on the eye icon to see your password. And once you click on the sign-in button, then you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on I have forgotten my password to recover your password. If you don't have any account of Harrow Council Tax, just click on register for an account to create a new account. That's much for today, guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.